Hi, it's Deb from Deb's Days Designs, and I'm back with another sewing project. Today we're making this Quilt As You Go placemat set. Some fabric scraps and strips, some cotton batting, and a little bit of your time will have you making a whole new set of placemats for your kitchen or dining room table. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel or stop by the blog at debsdays.com and check out my Etsy shop, Deb's Days Designs. That's where you'll find a digital version of this project. It has the materials list and cutting measurements, step-by-step written instructions, and color photos. You can download it at home and print out the entire pattern, or, to save paper, just read through the directions on your device. Alright, let's get this project started. First, fold the 1 yard of backing fabric in half and press it. Fold it in half one more time and press it, then cut on the pressed lines. Place one of the backing fabrics with the wrong side facing up. Center a piece of batting in the middle and baste the stack together to limit shifting during stitching. Place one of the fabric strips vertically along the left edge of the batting with the right side of the fabric facing up. Place another strip on top with the right side of the fabric facing down and align the right edges on the long sides of the strips and pin them in place. Stitch along the long edge using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Since we're using the backing piece as a binding, do not stitch beyond the edge of the batting. Press it open. Add additional straight stitching or decorative stitching if desired. Place the next strip on top of the last strip, right sides facing each other, and stitch using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Press it open. Continue adding and sewing strips until you reach the end of the batting. Flip the piece over, fold the backing out of the way, and very carefully trim away the excess ends of the strips without cutting into the backing. Turn the piece right side up. Trim the backing fabric so it measures 1 1/4 inches away from the edge of the front fabric. To create the binding and mitered corners, fold the corner of the backing so it meets the corner of the front piece and press it. Open up the fold and cut on the creased line. Fold the cut corner over the corner of the front piece and press it. Fold each side so the raw edges of the backing meet near the raw edges of the front piece and press it. Fold the backing fabric over one more time so it becomes the binding on the front and press it. Follow the same technique all around the placemat using fabric clips or pins to hold it in place and adjust the mitered corners if necessary. Then top stitch around the outside near the open edge of the binding. And just like that, just that fast, you've used up some fabric scraps and created a new set of placemats. See you next time with another project.